With, where are we? Kulgera?
Kulgera.
Oh, Kulgera.
Kulgera, isn't it?
Kulgera.
Kulgera.
Kulgera, right, and we've paid $2 each for the privilege of a PowerPoint and a bit of grass.
And a shower.
And a shower, which is over there.
For many a day.
And we've just got all our various gear. That's petrol there.
My bag's in the front, actually. I've packed mine away.
Let's have a look in here. Let's look, oh, just kick the hurricane lamp. And this is the sleeping equipment. There's Graham's bed, the sleeping bag.
Sock.
It's looking good, and it's all fully curtained.
Lovely, lovely little
That's
home.
my bed. Got a nice place here. Nice fat gentleman over there walking.
He's an Arab.
No, he's not. He's just dirty.
He's just at the shed.
We're gonna have a barbecue in a minute. I think we're going to light up some old sticks in there and have some potatoes. As you can see, the Pom Cruiser is probably the biggest bargain ever seen.
To show you though. Cockpit.
To the substitute bench with Alex Watson coming into about 5.
It's English football.
As a sweeper. First Wimbledon threw in their aerial shells. John Fashionable.
English soccer on the radio.
Paul Miller and Dennis Wise were always ready
Wimbledon.
for the knockdowns. The Wimbledon goal came after 19 minutes. Fashionable, terrier-like, beat a hesitant Steve Staunton on the right. His whip cross was headed into his own net by Alan Hansen, past a stranded Bruce Grobbler. There might have been more by half-time.